Okay, the other day we bought this camping gas gizmo with all these different bits and pieces. A lid there that's also doubles as a wok. And all these other appliances that I don't know what goes where or anything. So we thought we'd try it today. We've been out, but the place we went to, there was no, you weren't allowed to put any fires. So apparently you just push it in and twist it. Well, I don't know, seems to have worked. Okay. I've got it switched on. I haven't got up to the maximum, but we know it works. So, I'm just going to turn it off now and find out what I've got to do.
Okay, so welcome back. They're not really done yet, but we're just turning them over.
We've just got to
and
see how
the
they
smell
go.
is wonderful.
The middle is cooking a lot quicker than the outside.
Alright.
So,
going to swap them over a little bit.
Swap them over a bit, and then...
Oh, Jamie.
Ha! Hello.
That one nearly got away.
So, yeah, with the strings not burning, the string's burning a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them up as individuals now.
Okay.
Because they don't put knots in them like they do in England. They don't twist them and knot them. They just, where the tube is, they just put a bit of string around it. So if you, in my opinion, if you cut that too soon, then it's just going to open up and your meat comes out.
Oh, okay.
So,
well, let's take it from the master here.
Wow. Trouble is, I'm trying to do it with the flame.
And I don't know if you can tell, I can't.
Don't try this at home.
Okay. I am videoing this sitting down in the wheelchair. So we're not really getting a bird's eye view. We're getting an upside view.
Tell you what I'll do, I'll just cut them and try and get a string off.
Might be a bit hot. Don't lick your fingers in between. That's so much better. Why do you not think of that in the first place?
But I'm a man.
I know.
There you go.
Oh, they're looking good though, James.
Right.
Might need to take this big table with us, you know.
Yeah.
Mightn't we? Because we got a couple. No, we got a couple of small tables.
Not as high as this, admittedly.
No.
But I'll be sitting down cooking.
No, you won't. And this also makes it a bit safer because, well, I say it's making it safer. You've got legs and the cooking's on top, so the flame isn't going underneath it. It's not going to catch anything. It'd be good if we had a decent pair of scissors though, wouldn't it, Jamie? Yeah. But you haven't got smelly vision. It's lovely. Okay, we'll come back in a minute. Nathan's upstairs and the steam is rising and he says it smells lovely. As it's new, we hope it's not the paint that's burning off. Okay, the fire is getting a bit intense. Also mind that grill, please. What are they doing like? That's okay. Whoops. We'll just put a fan out here because it's very hot. So that's the noise that you can hear most probably. They look absolutely wonderful. We haven't had a barbecue for, oh gosh, I can't remember the last time. It's about a year, isn't it?
Well,
I mean, we do use the barbecue in the winter, don't we? Our big one.
Here, Nathan and I we have more. We are not here than when you are.
And why is that?
Because we're told off for making the cooker.
So, I always clean the cooker because I come back and it's a bit manky. Anyway, I clean it and it's beautiful. and I say, don't use it, or if you use it, put things on it. So what they tend to do is they come outside.
February, we're still cooking on the barbecue.
They come and cook on the barbecue because otherwise they don't want to get the cooker dirty. They look wonderful. They weren't burning at all, were they? Just get a nice colour on them.
So just toasting off the underside of the buns. And what's the verdict, Marion? Cat next door says it's a lovely smell coming over. But it's going down quite well. Well, that's it. The sausage came out a treat. Sausages, did I say that right? Well, that's it. The sausages came out a treat. And we've cooked the beef already because we didn't want to annoy any vegetarians. And it's just got a bit of cleaning up to do on there. Well, I'll let you know how that goes. It looks pretty dirty. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. And how that water reservoir works, catching the oil and making it easier to clean on the base. Now that's what you call a beef burger. Slice of beef. A little bit of salad underneath.
Don't need any butter in this household at the moment.
Butter.
We've been very good, health-wise.
Up until today.
Up until today. Well, no, what have we had? Oh, things
Just
we've had.
bread.
Bread. Nothing else has been naughty.
No. Well, I finished cleaning this camping gas. Did it last night. It took about 20 minutes for this all to cool down, so it was, you could handle it. And you see that? Slightly burnt on there, but you'd expect that because that's directly on the flame. And the same on here. But everything cleaned up quite easily. And the lid as well, which doubles as the wok. So yeah, everything cleaned up well. Apart from this here, you have 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. And this blue section here that holds the water, when it was put together, it just went down in the spaces, twisted round under the tabs. Well, I can't get it apart now, and so that makes it difficult to clean inside here. In fact, now that I see it today, there are little bits, probably a little bit of food there, and there's smatterings of grease in there. So that's one thing against it, and I've tried again and I still can't get it apart. Now I can get a good grip on it and I still can't get it apart, so that was a bad thing about it. Maybe I'll try it again, then if I do get it apart I might just lift those tabs up a little bit just to make sure everything's okay. But generally speaking, it was very good. Party Grill 400 CV. Yeah, cooked nicely and the food tasted great. So yeah, I'll probably give it a 9 out of 10 actually. Probably only drop it 1 point because of those tabs there. Having said that, we didn't use the hot plate, so we don't know how that's going to go. But it looks quite well made. So yeah, all in all, it's pretty good. And yeah, so we like it. And if you like this video, perhaps you'll give it a thumbs up. And it just all goes back together. I've still got clean in there, but I assume it just all goes back together the same way as it came out. That's it. Lid on top. Not so easy when you're doing it one-handed. And then put the catches on. Might need 2 hands for this. Hang on, let's try that one. Okay, I've got the handle in the wrong place, but the catch is just flicked round. Pack it away in a bag and carry it wherever you want. Yes, very good product. Okay, if you like this video, perhaps you'll give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Bye for now.